Wheatridge, Friday the 19th I think. It's an update, board's ready to come out now. A bit more plastering completed on the top floor, roads are now gone. Pipes have been put in first fixed positions. Okay, going down, that's all knocked out. There, bit of a safety beam there. Steels, you can't really see this, but that's going to be a glass look down. You can see it here, but obviously it's covered over for safety, and that will be a balustrade glass all along there with a oak beam across the middle of it as another feature, and that will be into the glass box where the wood is at the minute. That's just obviously to keep the weather out and secure the building. Not much has happened in here really, apart from we have windows. Very nice windows with lovely ironman grooves. It's quite a unique handle, great detail on that. So just on this floor we've had the windows done. This will be the ensuite to the master bathroom. That will be built next week, not installed but built, ready to go. And Max, the owner's son's bedroom and bathroom, meeting about this next week, still to be done. Still not a lot happening here apart from the windows and a bit of electrics. And going down the stairs, plumbing's going in now for the heating and hot water systems. The staircase has been measured up, waiting to be built so we can have them put in. But yeah, from below you might be able to see this better now. That there, all that will be a glass overhang looking down into the hallway that I'm stood in now. The plasterers are just doing the kitchen, just been boarding today. Done a great job. There. Ready for skimming tomorrow. Cute. Right, there's been a lot of development out here on the barn. Steel arches have gone in on one, little one, two, and Chris is now preparing that one. So lots of light, all up on acros. One in the doorway. It's just all on stilts. I'll step over the wall carefully. I've got the big Manitou over there. That is to lift the steels into position because they are very heavy. And Dan Martin, the other builder, works with Chris. That's the gym that he's currently building. Doing a fine job. Beautiful brickwork. And the barn, once the steels are in, then will be pointed up because the barn's hundreds of years old. It used to be an old slaughterhouse. And that's it. Oh, that's the outside of the windows now. I remember them before, they weren't like that, but now they're a nice graphite grey finish. Yeah, going along nicely. Enjoy.